Hey, what's up, everyone? Micro Investor here. So, I want to talk about the stock market crash. Now, we're all hearing about it, about the stock market crashing here soon. I'm noticing it's a huge trend here on YouTube, and I also just saw an article today from USA Today saying that the stock market is going to crash here soon. Now, for me as an investor, don't I'm not going to stop investing because people are saying that there's going to be a market crash. I'm going to keep investing. Now, I don't really believe in what people are saying. A lot of people are just conspiracy theorists, or they try to get money off of ads or clickbait and stuff like that. Historically, the S&P does go up, 8%, 10% a year, and in general, there's a thing called inflation, and then they're talking about interest rates. Um, they're gonna change the interest rates twice maybe this year still. Just don't believe in everything. Even if they do change the industry, that doesn't mean stop investing. There are so many different industries into the stock market, and you never want to just go into one industry. You never want to go in and just say, I'm only going to invest in automotive. Well, because that industry could have some trouble. You don't want to be like, oh, I'm going to invest in housing, in some way. That industry could have trouble. There could be a bubble for everything, but there's not going to be a bubble for the entire stock market. So, like, say if you were going to invest in something like SPY, the S&P ETF, you know, that you're pretty safe because it's a bunch of different companies in that exchange fund. Uh, that index fund there, or like VOO, the Vanguard S&P, you're pretty much safe if you buy into something like that because historically, uh, that has gone up. There are so many stocks out right now that are just a huge value as it is. You're basically buying. You can buy so many stocks on sale right now. So to say that the stock market is going to crash, I don't think so. I mean, like Starbucks right now is going through a correction. So if you buy Starbucks at this moment, you're getting a deal. And then there's P&G right now. I'd say P&G is a great deal. There's so many stocks out right now that are just you can buy right now. To really say that the whole stock market's going to crash, that's like saying, oh, what do they know that we don't know? Is there going to be an attack on the United States or something? What are they predicting here? What is in their logic? What are they thinking that's going to make this happen? Because it doesn't matter what happens to interest rates or anything. That never means that the entire stock market is just going to crash. It's not going to affect you buying a latte. Are you going to still go buy a latte? Probably. So I don't really think Starbucks will be hurting. You're going to still get gas for your car. Yeah, I mean, gas prices might go up. We never know. We can't really predict markets of what's going to happen. And the sad thing is, there's probably so many people out there right now that want to invest in the stock market, and they're probably being told right now is probably not a good time. But right now is a great time. It's always a great time. You just have to really do your research when you're investing into the stock market, and you have to really look at what you're buying into. For me, it's something that I'm going to use. If it's something that I'm like, I understand, I'm going to buy into it. And I will always tell people, not as a financial advisor, because that's not what I am, but I will always tell people, you can always just play it safe with an ETF. That you're not gonna. It's not, in my opinion, it's not. I mean, there's always risk in buying in the stock market, but it's not really like gambling if you're buying, something like BOO. For me, I had to stop listening to family members. They would tell me what not to do. Like, oh no, it's not a good time to get in the stock market. It's not a really good time to be putting your money in the stock market. Where should you put your money into a bank? You're lucky if you even get 1% interest, 1% return at a bank. Come on now. So basically, to wrap this whole video up, no, I don't think that the stock market's going to crash. Maybe some industries might be in some trouble here eventually, but the entire stock market is not going to just magically crash. People are working. People aren't going to stop spending money. People will get reserved with certain things if there was if this country was coming into some financial trouble. But I don't. I wouldn't trust the bank with all my money. I wouldn't trust a lot of things with all my money. Um, then for the stock market, really research. Do your own research. Look at everything. See the graph there. Check the trends. Be really passionate about something that you want to buy, and don't stick with one industry. Definitely, definitely have stocks in multiple industries, and you should be fine. I mean, things will dip. It's a stock market. Things go up and down. But I don't think there's going to be a crash. I think that is just a lot of hype that people are trying to make. There's a lot of clickbait in that. And yeah, that's my story there. Anyways, please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos coming out all the time. I talk about stock market investing and all that stuff. Thanks.